back to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Welcome, welcome, welcome to those of you that are new here. Today, we are making a toasted coconut cream cheese pound cake. My daughters and my mom love coconut, so I decided to indulge in coconut today. Stay tuned. Okay, so all your ingredients need to be room temperature. I have eggs, butter, sweetened condensed coconut milk, sugar, coconut extract, almond extract, flour, baking powder, salt, and sweetened coconut flakes. Also, vanilla extract. You can never leave that out. I'm going to begin by adding my butter and sugar together and combining it until it's light and fluffy. Next, I'm going to add in my vanilla extract as well as my coconut extract. I also decided to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of almond just because it kicks up the coconut flavor. That's optional. Some people don't like almond, but I do with coconut. So while I am allowing my sugar and butter to beat, I am toasting coconut on the stove. I'm going to watch it carefully because it can burn easily. You probably can do this before you even begin doing your cake. I just so happened to be doing it while I was mixing my butter and sugar, but this is how it should look. You can also put it in the oven on a baking tray and have it bake if you wanted to, but I chose to do it on the stove just because it was a lot quicker. Okay, back to our sugar and butter. We're now going to add in the eggs one at a time. You can add each one when the yolk breaks. You want to turn your mixer down for this process so you don't overmix your batter. We're going to add in our dry mixture. We always start with flour and end with flour, so I'll be adding in that coconut milk in between. During that last cup of flour that you're going to add in, you can add in your toasted coconut as well. They should already be cooled. You can add in as much as you like. Here's my baking pan I prepared. I'm going to get the batter in, knock out those air bubbles, smooth it down, get it in the oven on 325 for an hour and a half to an hour and 45 minutes. And that all depends on your oven. This is how my cake turned out. Beautiful release. I'm going to allow it to cool so I can decorate. Just a reminder, you want to get it out of that pan before the 10-minute mark. I'm going to add on a cream cheese glaze that I prepared while the cake was baking and top it off with some of those leftover toasted